By creating roles, you can manage employees' access to different sections of the portal. To add a role, navigate to the Control Center, Accounts, and select the Roles tab. Then click the button on the top left to add a role. You will be prompted to create a name for the role. Often, this reflects the permissions that will be allowed to this role, such as account manager, administrator, partner manager, and so on. Sections follow, and by expanding the left-hand menu, you can allow permissions within each subsection. You can also allow read-only or full access. Once configured, simply click Add to create the role. To assign a role to an employee's account, we will navigate to the Control Center and select the Account section. Click on the account that you'd like to assign the role and select Edit. When you scroll down, you will see the role drop box where you can select from any of the roles that you've created. Now you've learned to create a role with specific permissions and how to assign each employee a role.